Okay, I think I got it. All right, take this thing off right here. Pull this up. And go ahead and replace this one. That's trash. Go ahead and put the new red one right here. And put this on top of here. And compress it so you can put the snap ring on. All right, get one side in and work it around. Oh. All right, once you get it in that groove, press down on it. Make sure all the sides are good, even this side. And then go ahead and release it. Ooh, glad that didn't hit me in the face. All right, that's it. Make sure your seals are good, your snap ring's good. And go ahead and put this bad boy in, just like so. Sometimes you gotta beat it in. All right, go and get your blue spring that comes in the kit. Place this right here and place the snap ring right here. And you have to press down. It goes on here, not there. It goes right there. You have to press down on this, press it down and put the snap ring in. It's pretty easy. All right, when you get it, it should be on that lip. If it would focus, come on. Nope, it ain't gonna focus. And that's how you replace the spring in here and that spring and the snap ring and the snap ring. All right, first I'm gonna get this one and add a blue one to this, just like that. I'm gonna grab this one, get the seal. How you make it tight, you do this. And then work it in. Work it in. All right. Now I am gonna put some oil on it. I'm gonna put some oil on it. All right, place the bigger end down into the piston or servo. Take this one, put the green one on this one. Like so. All right, take this one, grab the biggest one, and do the same. Twist it so it can fit better, fit tighter, and go ahead and put it around this one right here into this slot. All right, go ahead and put some oil on that. All right, now place this one, the little small one. Do the same as the other one. Twist it and place it right here. Just like so. All right, go ahead and put some oil on this. All right, place this one inside here. Wait. Put this on top of here, like so. It might be a tight fit because, okay, there we go. Spin it around and then put this one on top of here. And it should look like that. Right here, and here, and here. Here, here, and here. All right, time to put it back together. All right, go ahead and put the spring inside here. And take this whole servo and put this in the hole. All right, and go ahead and beat it in. And go ahead and take your clamp and put it on right here. All right, once you got your clamp, hold the clamp and beat the bottom so it can be all even. All right, now I can see the slot where the snap ring goes. Go ahead and put the snap ring in and put the snap ring on. And when you get the snap ring in, it should look like that.